I, Sanjay Kumar, a teacher of Jesus and Mary Academy, Hajiganj, Patna City, class 12 of math. We continue adjoint and inverse of matrix. Solve some questions. Question: if fx equal to fx is a matrix of order 3, fx equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0 0 1, verify that inverse of fx equal to f minus x. First of all, we find a inverse of fx. Determinant of fx equal to cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, expanding along third column. Determinant of fx equal to 1 cos x sin x minus sin x cos x equal to cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1, not equal to 0. Therefore, fx is singular matrix. fx is non-singular matrix. Inverse exists. First of all, find cofactor of all elements. A11 equal to cos x 0 0 1 equal to cos x minus 0 equal to cos x. A12 equal to minus sin x 0 0 1 equal to minus sin x minus 0 equal to minus sin x. A13 equal to sin x 0 cos x 0 equal to 0. A21 equal to minus sin x 0 0 1 equal to sin x. A22 cos x 0 0 1 equal to cos x. A23 equal to cos x 0 minus sin x 0 equal to 0. A31 equal to minus sin x cos x 0 0 equal to 0. A32 equal to cos x sin x 0 0 equal to 0. A33 equal to cos x sin x minus sin x cos x equal to cos square x minus minus plus sin square x equal to 1. First of all, we find the cofactor of all elements. Then adjoint A equal to adjoint A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, its transpose equal to A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33. First row written in first column, second row written in second column, third row written in third column. Putting the value, we get A11 cos x, A12 minus sin x, A13 0, A21 sin x, A22 cos x, A23 0, A31 0, A32 0, A33 1. Adjoint fx equal to now fx inverse equal to adjoint fx but a determinant of fx equal to adjoint fx determinant fx equal to 1 cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 0 0 1 equal to cos minus x minus sin minus x 0 sin minus x cos minus x 0 0 0 1. We know that cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos x is written as cos minus x. Sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Sin x is written as minus sin minus x. 0. Minus sin x is written as sin minus x. Cos x is written as cos minus x because cos minus x equal to cos x. Sin minus x equal to minus sin x. 0 0 0 1 equal to f minus x. Hence proved. So that A equal to A is a matrix is first row 5 3, second row -1 -2 satisfy the equation x square minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Then find A inverse. First of all, we satisfy the equation fx equal to x square minus 3x plus 7 f A equal to a square minus 3a plus 7i fa equal to 0. That means a square minus 3a plus 7i equal to 0. First of all, we prove a square minus 3a plus 7i equal to 0. LHS equal to a square minus 3a plus 7i equal to 5 3 minus 1 minus 2 into 5 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 5 3 minus 1 minus 2 plus 7 1 0 0 1 equal to first row multiply first column 5 into 5 plus 3 into minus 1 first row second column 5 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 second row first column minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into 3 first row second first column minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into minus 1 second row second column minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2 plus multiply minus 3 this minus 15 minus 9 minus minus plus 3 minus minus plus 6 plus 7 0 0 7 equal to 25 minus 3 22 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 15 minus 6 9 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 plus 4 1 plus minus 50 minus 9 3 6 plus 7 0 0 7 fx equal x square minus 3x minus 7 equal to 0. fx equal to x square minus 3x minus 7. fa equal to a square minus 3a minus 7i. fa equal to 0. Therefore, a square minus 3a minus 7i equal to 0. First, LHS equal to a square minus 3a minus 7i equal to a into a minus 3 into a minus 7 into I minus 7 equal to 22 minus 15 minus 7 9 minus 9 plus 0 minus 3 plus 3 plus 0 1 plus 6 minus 7 equal to 0 0 0 0 equal to 0. First of all, we satisfy this equation. fx equal to x square minus 3x minus 7. fa equal to a square minus 3a minus 7i. Because all terms are in matrix. Minus 7 is a constant. Multiply unit matrix become matrix. fn equal to 0. a square minus 3a minus 7i equal to 0. LHS a square minus 3a minus 7i. On calculating, we get the zero matrix equal to 0. Hence proof. Now we find a inverse using this property. Minus 7i equal to 0. Multiply a inverse in all. A square a into a inverse equal to 3a into a inverse minus 7i into a inverse equal to 0 into a inverse. A into A inverse equal to I, AI, A into A inverse equal to I, unit matrix, minus I into A inverse equal to A inverse, equal to 0 into A inverse 0, AI equal to A minus 3I minus 7A inverse equal to 0, 7A inverse equal to A minus 3I, A inverse equal to 1 बटा 7 A minus 3I, A inverse equal to 1 बटा 7 A 5 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 I 1 0 0 1 equal to 1 बटा 7 5 minus 3 3 minus 0 minus 1 minus 0 minus 2 minus 3, we get 1 बटा 7 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 equal to 2 बटा 7 3 बटा 7 minus 1 बटा 7 minus 5 बटा 7. This is A inverse using the given condition. A matrix X for which X into 3 2 1 minus 1 equal to 4 1 2 3. Let A equal to 3 2 1 minus 1 and B equal to 4 1 2 3. X A equal to B, therefore X equal to A inverse B. First of all, find the inverse of matrix A. Determinant of A equal to 3 2 1 minus 1 equal to minus 3 minus 2 equal to minus 5 not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Find the cofactor of all elements. A11 equal to minus 1, A12 equal to minus 1, A21 equal to minus 1. Sorry, A21 equal to minus 2, A22 equal to 3, A inverse equal to adjoint A बटा determinant of A, 1 बटा determinant of A equal to minus 5, adjoint of A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 equal to minus 1 बटा 5, A11 minus 1, A12 minus 1, A21 minus 2, A22 3. Into A equal to B, multiplying both sides by A inverse, X A into A inverse equal to B into A inverse. Therefore, A into A inverse equal to I, X into I equal to X, B into A inverse. X equal to B 4 1 2 3 into A inverse. A inverse equal to minus 1 बटा 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 3 equal to 4 1 2 3. Taking minus from this matrix, minus minus plus 1, 1 2 1 3 equal to 5, 4, 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 1 minus 3 equal to 1 bata 5, 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 4 into 2 plus 1 into minus 3, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 3 equal to 1 bata 5, 4 plus 1 5, 8 minus 3 5, 2 plus 3 5, 4 minus 9 minus 5 equal to 1 1 1 minus 1.